All right, we have some big breaking news that is coming in. The Supreme Court of India has granted bail to Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh. That's the big piece of news that's coming in live as we speak. Bear in mind, with the Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal continuing to be in judicial custody for the next 15 days at least, now comes this latest piece of news. A bit of a relief for the Aam Aadmi Party. The Supreme Court has granted bail to Sanjay Singh. That's the big story that's breaking as we speak. Now, bear in mind, the Supreme Court, while hearing Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh's bail plea, had told the Enforcement Directorate that nothing has been recovered and there is no trace of any proof in the case yet. In fact, the Supreme Court asked Additional Solicitor General appearing for the Enforcement Directorate to get instructions from the agency whether further custody of Sanjay Singh is needed at all. And now comes the latest. The Supreme Court, after that hearing, has now given and granted bail to Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh. This on a day when Aam Aadmi Party leader Atishi claimed that she was approached to join the BJP and that if she did not join the BJP, then she and her relatives will be subjected to ED raids. That was Atishi of the Aam Aadmi Party speaking this morning. But now a bit of a relief for the Aam Aadmi Party. Sanjay Singh has been granted bail by the Supreme Court of India. Atishi, bear in mind, has claimed that there are now plans to arrest the entire second rung of Aam Aadmi Party's leadership. Those are the claims that she had made, but looks like for now, Sanjay Singh gets a reprieve. He is getting a bail in the Delhi excise policy case. That's the big news that's breaking at this point in time. And this is after the observations made by the Apex Court, which made it clear that there is absolutely nothing available that will justify the custody of Sanjay Singh or the need for the further custody of Sanjay Singh, and hence it has granted bail to Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh. And we have more news coming in on that front. We'll try to understand what this decision by the Supreme Court means, this decision to grant bail in the Delhi liquor policy excise case, that in which literally everybody from the Chief Minister of Delhi, who's Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal, is in jail at the moment, continues to be in custody because of further questioning that is required. But looks like the Supreme Court has deemed that there is no need for such a situation to prevail upon Sanjay Singh, and that his custody is not required, and that there is no trace of any proof in the case as yet. And that is the reason why Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party has been granted bail. However, the terms and conditions for the bail will be fixed by the trial court. That's what we understand at this point in time. The terms and conditions for Sanjay Singh's bail has not been agreed upon. We don't know the terms and conditions as yet. In fact, we have my colleague joining us with more details of what exactly went on in the hearing at the court, at the Apex Court, which has provided relief to Sanjay Singh. But for now, all we understand is that Sanjay Singh has been granted bail, but the terms and conditions of the bail has not been, will be fixed by the trial court, and that's the decision taken by the Supreme Court of India. We have Mr. Ashok Bagaria now joining us in the studio. Ashok, talk to us. Tell us, in that sense, this is a bit of a relief for sure for Aam Aadmi Party, considering the circumstances, isn't it?
Well, looking at it politically, it's a huge relief for the Aam Aadmi Party, because top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, including the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, are behind bars in the liquor policy scam, and they are being probed for their roles for money laundering in this case. Now, Sanjay Singh was one of the leaders who was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in October last year, and the allegation against him was that he, through his man, had received a sum of rupees 2 crores 20 lakh rupees as a part of the Delhi liquor policy kickback, and he has been behind bars for almost 6 months. So today the Supreme Court was hearing an application by Sanjay Singh seeking to be released on bail, and Sanjay Singh in his petition has also questioned the application of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act against him. So today in the morning, the Supreme Court concluded the arguments made on his behalf by senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi. And before the Enforcement Directorate could begin its arguments, they asked their lawyer, S.V. Raju, to take instructions from the Enforcement Directorate if the further custody of Sanjay Singh was required. And in fact, when the court reconvened at 2 p.m., the Enforcement Directorate made a statement through Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju that they do not need custody of Sanjay Singh, and they have no objection if he is released on bail. And after this statement was made by the Enforcement Directorate, the Supreme Court of India said that they were inclined to release Sanjay Singh on bail, and he could also continue with his political activities once he's out on bail, but he will still have to stand trial in this case.